Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is April, also known as Thrifty and Classy. And today I will be sharing with you guys how I make my cheesecake. It is a very easy and simple recipe. And I actually got this recipe from one of my cousins, and each time I make it is always a hit. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I will be using for today's recipe. You need 1 graham cracker crust, 1 egg, 1 can of cherry pie filling, cream cheese, sour cream, and sugar. And believe it or not, guys, the majority of these ingredients came from Dollar Tree. The only thing that did not come from Dollar Tree was the bag of sugar, and I'm pretty sure they also sell that in there. So you basically can make a cheesecake for $5 or less if you were to get your ingredients from Dollar Tree. But these are the ingredients that I will use. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, please make sure you click on the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will also leave the ingredients and recipe in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Take care and be blessed.